Today we see the noise pollution. Before that we see what is pollution. Pollution is any contamination of air, soil, water. Even if the loud noise and sound is a part of pollution. Pollution make environment dirty or unclean in which harmful substance or toxic substance are released into atmosphere. Now we move toward our topic, noise pollution. In everyday of our life we facing this problem, noise pollution. Noise pollution is very harmful as an other pollution. So what is noise? Noise is any unwanted or disturb the one's quality of life. Now and what is noise pollution? Noise pollution means there is a lot of sound produced than the normal sound. It is also called as the noise pollution. And if in everyday of our life we can hear normally the sound between 60 decimal to 7 decimal, not more than that. So Central Pollution Control Board has established a rule for the different areas such as the industrial areas, commercial areas, silent zone and residential areas to make the rule for that area. Now we see there are the various sources of noise pollution such as household sources and transportation, social event and commercial and industrial areas. These are the sources of noise pollution. We see, let's one by one. So household sources are in which we see home appliances like food mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, cooler, washing machine, air conditioner. These are the example of household sources. These produce lots of noise. And another example is TV, sound system. These are the another example of household appliances. And then social event at the place of function, wedding, parties, and these are the example of social event. In many areas when we are going to market, the people selling their product more loudly. This also produce a lot of noise pollution. And then at commercial and industrial areas there is a biggest machineries and equipment. They produce a lot of sound which is very harmful to the working people as well as their living surrounding people. Then their working people always wear a earplug because to minimize the sound. And at the construction site to create more sound. At the site of industries also produce more sound. Then we see transportation. At the transportation site, aeroplanes fly over the house. It also make more noise. Over an underground train, motor vehicle, these also produce a lot of sound. So these are the sources of the noise pollution, which is very harmful to the human as well as animal and also environment. Now we see what are the effect of noise pollution. So noise pollution is effect on human as well as on animal. Now we see, let's one by one. On human health, it is a reason for the cause of nervous disorder, high blood pressure, headache, short memory, distraction, difficulty in concentration, frustration, disturbances in rest, physical and mental fatigue. These all are effect on the human health. 20% of children facing the problem which is deafness, which means the loss of hearing because they can't hear a lot of sound, which is very harmful to them. And if for example we see if the person is suffering from the hypertension, they can't also hear a lot of sound because of their high blood pressure. So now how noise pollution affect on animal health. Noise pollution damage the nervous system of animal, increase the death. Animal lost the control of its mind. They become a very dangerous and attacking on anyone, which is very harmful. State government make the 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. At that time, do not produce lot of noise and sound. State government has made the rule for the everyone. We can't play music or sound. We can't create more sound. So, what are the prevention of noise pollution? Turn off the appliances at home and office. Shut down the door when using noise machine. Level of the volume is low. Use earplug. Stay away from the noisy area. Follow the limits of the noise level and do not use horn unnecessarily. Area like hospital and the silence home and horning is prohibited there. Vehicle, machine, motor also produce a lot of sound when not maintained properly. If we are working in the area where there are a lot of noise, we can wear earplug to prevent loss of hearing. So these are the prevention of noise pollution. In a Diwali, people burst a firecracker, which also produce a lot of sound, which is very harmful to the human as well as animal. A firecracker produce air pollution as well as noise pollution, which is very dangerous. So these are the prevention of noise pollution. Thank you.